Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 7 of class 6 subject computer language. We use computer languages to communicate with computers. They will be in the form of instructions. The language used to communicate with a computer is called a programming language. The set of instructions given to a computer to do a specific task is called a program. The person who writes program using the programming language is a programmer. Type of computer languages. Computer language are broader classified in 4 types: machine language, assembly language, high level language, fourth generation language. The process vary between different computers. First generation computer, machine language. We know that a computer understands only the machine language. It is expressed in binary digits of O's and ones. It depends on the hardware that requires a different set of binary instructions for different types of computer hardware. The main benefit is high speed and low memory usage. It is difficult to write programs in machine language. Assembly language. This is a low level language which uses mnemonic code instead of O's and ones. Some of the mnemonics are sub, add, move, etc. Since a computer can only understand the machine language, we need a translator called assembler to convert the assembly language program into the machine language program. Example, second generation computers. The machines and assembly languages are called a low level language as they are machine dependent since the program varies from one system to another. High level language. High level language use English like statements. They are easy to learn and require less time to write. Some examples of high level languages include BASIC, Fortran, C++, Java, etc. Programs written in high level languages can be translated into machine language and can run on any computer by using an appropriate translator. These programs are easy to write, modify, and maintain. They are machine independent. Example, third generation computer. Now, compiler and interpreter. A compiler is a system software translator that converts the program written in high level language as a whole into machine language. This process is called compilation. Example, C uses compiler. An interpreter is a system software translator that converts each line of the high level instruction into its equivalent machine language code. If the translation is successful, it gets executed before the next line in the program is taken for translation. Interpreted programs are slower in execution compared to compiled program. Example, BASIC. Fourth generation language, 4GL. Fourth generation language, 4GLs are user friendly and highly efficient to use. These languages typically use English like words and phrases. Popular 4GL is structures, query, language, or SQL. Each 4GL requires its own integrated development environment, IDE, or for programming. मतलब is a language used for technical and numerical computing. It is widely used in industries and academy. Example, fourth generation computer. With this we have completed our chapter number 7. Now we are going to do the book exercise in our textbook and the question and answers you have to complete in your notebook. So the first one, the language used to communicate with a computer is called programming language, right? PROGRAMMING programming language programming language. The set of instructions given to a computer to do a specific task is called a program. Program. Next, assembly language uses dash instead of O's and ones. It is mnemonic codes. MONIC codes. Dash and dash languages are machine dependent. Machine and assembly. MACHINE machine. ASSEMBLY assembly. State whether the statements are true or false. Assembly language is a low level programming language. It is true. High level language is a machine dependent language. It is false. C++ uses an interpreter to execute instructions. It is false. MATLAB is an example of fourth generation language, 4GL. It is true. Now, identify the answer based on the clues below. Does not execute next line until the current line is correct. It is interpreter. INTERPRETER, interpreter. This language is used instead of O's and ones but still considered as a low level language. It is assembly language. ASSEMBL, assembly, LANGUAGE, language. Third, this is a language used for technical and numerical computing. It is MATLAB. MATLAB. This language is high at speed and uses less memory. It is machine language. MACHINE LANGUAGE. Now, answer the following questions. First one, what is a computer language? List the types of computer language, page number 55. Okay, now the language used to communicate with the computer is called a programming language or computer language. This is answer number 1. Then again from the question you have to write the different types of computer languages are, again page number 55, machine language, assembly language, high level language and fourth generation language, 4GL. Now second question, what does an assembler do? Page number 56. An assembler is used to convert the assembly language program into the machine language program. It is answer number 2. Next, answer number 3. Highlight the difference between compiler and interpreter. This is compiler and this is interpreter. First point, it converts program written in high level language to machine language as a whole. It converts program written in high level language to machine language line by line. Second, this process is called completion. Execution is slower when compared to compiler. Example C, C++, example basic. Now last question, what is a MATLAB? Page number 57. MATLAB is a language used for technical and numerical computing. It is widely used in industries and academia. Now with this we have completed chapter number 7. The book exercise you have to complete on page number 59 in textbook, and the question answers you have to complete in your notebook. So complete your work in notebook. Thank you.